Welcome pros. This video is for weekly reporting to our sellers. So part of my practice is I use a certain day of the week where I tell my sellers I'm at my desk, by my phone, I'm plugged into the internet, plugged into my computer, and I am available to take calls. And I educate my clients that on any other day, you may not have my full attention. I may be driving, looking at houses, in appointments, and I may be distracted. On this one day, though, that's the day you can call me, where I'm by my computer and where I can be held accountable and to our progress on the sales of the listings that we have. And what I do is I believe in remaining in touch, being in touch often, and being in contact first and proactive. So every week, I go into the Quick Office and I click on it here. So this here will give us the listings, the showing appointments. So I log in, and over here it's the 4 last digits of your SIN number. Log in, you go to your listings, my listings, and when I go here, so these are my active listings, so let's do this one as an example, and on a weekly basis I'm going to be looking at and updating my sellers. So where is the showing feedback here? Alright, let's go back to our Quick Office. We're going to go to this listing, appointment report. Click on this for all appointments since the listing went up. And since it's only been a week, here are the listings we have. And I go into here, I create a new spreadsheet. I'll copy from another listing. If I'm making you dizzy, I apologize. So then this gets labeled showings, and I put in the address. And this is what it looks like. Each day, each week, I come in and I look for feedback from the realtors who have showed my listing. And then I put notes on the site. And then I send a weekly report with the feedback of all the showings. To give you another example, this is one where we had many showings. Where is it? This one. Not many. Enough showings. This is what it looks like. Here are the showings, and then here are the feedback. Some folks are out, not interested, and others I need to call back and follow through and encourage them to bring on. Hope that was helpful. This, please look at the, please like and subscribe, and click on the description for more details. This is Walid El Saeed signing off and reminding us all to have a productive day.